I was recently gifted this leaf blower. It is a battery-powered electric leaf blower, extremely mobile. And so what I'll do, given that it's fall, is number one, I'm going to show you what it looks like right out of the box. And then I'm going to show you a few features and how it works on my leaves. I'm going to show you what you get right out of the box with this cordless blower. Comes in one box with a set of instructions that are very clear. And then what else you get with it? You have the main unit right here. You have not one, but two battery packs ready to go. You just have to charge those up in the charger that comes with it as well. You do have then the main blower tube and then an extension to put on that tube as well. You have a chassis to add to the main piece so that you can lay it flat. And then you do have shoulder strap, optional if you want to use it. As well, it even gives you a Phillips screwdriver and some screws to be able to attach the chassis to it. It's a nice fall day. Let's get to it. So now we're ready to put it into action. You'll see I've got the battery snug in. We've got the chassis installed. I put on the tube as well as the extension that just snaps on. And we're ready to go after some of the leaves right there. It does have the handy shoulder strap that I can put on. And we'll show you what it looks like. It has 3 power levels. You'll hear them as I hit them. This is 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, this very powerful battery-powered leaf blower made short work of the leaves I had in there. Now it's time to do the rest of the yard, and I really, really like it for its portability and its power. Very easy to put together. I highly recommend.